In Secure IQ version 3.00.2, the Tag Manager has been added, which is an editor that displays the hierarchies and tags created and links to objects in your system. To create, edit, assign or remove a tag, navigate to Configuration, then Tag Manager. To create a tag, click on the Create New Tag button. Next, enter a name in the tag name field. To enable the tag as a location tag, select the location toggle, then click the Save button. To create a child tag within a tag, select the tag name from the hierarchy and click on the Create Child Tag button, or right-click on the tag and select Add Child. Next, enter a name for the child tag and click Save. Right-click on a tag name in the list to view the context menu. To associate a tag with an object from the Tag Manager page, select the tag name from the hierarchy and click the Add Object button. Next, enter an object name and select an object from the list provided. Once complete, click Save. To associate a tag with an object from the Objects context menu, click the three-dot menu opposite the object and select Manage Tags. Next, enter a tag name and select it from the list provided. Once complete, click Save.